students, today I have decided to teach you one voice sense. You know, active voice and passive voice. Most of the times I find in my classes and students reading in other schools, they are making a lot of mistakes in changing active voice into passive voice. I will just describe it on the chalkboard. Voice, VOICE, this is divided into two types. Okay, one is active, another is passive. Active voice and passive voice. So I am giving you the examples. I eat rice. First let me know. I eat rice is equal to I do eat rice, or eat, your eat is equal to do eat. Similarly, eats is equal to does it, it is equal to did it. So I is the subject, write it 1, verb 2, object 3. In order to do voice sense, you must have three basic things, that is subject, verb and object. And in this case, the verb is called transitive verb. Transitive verb means a verb that has an object. So in voice sense, in active voice, the structure is 1 plus 2 plus 3, subject, verb, object. In active voice, in passive voice, it becomes 3 plus 2 plus 1. Your object comes to the front position and become the subject, this is verb, and your subject comes to the first position. Let me just write it down. After this I will just simplify it and I will give you an exemplification and simplification. Write it down first. You remember one thing, in passivizing a sentence we need to know some basic formulas, like for do we have to change it to is, for does is, for did was, and for ing we have to use being. And we have to remember after all modals, that is after 13 modals, we have to use be. After has a verb we have to use will. So let me write something, have a look at it. I eat rice is equal to I do eat rice. 3 becomes 1. Rice, the subject comes to the front position. For do, you have to write it down. For do, what I have told you, do. For does is, for did was, for ing be. You just note it down. Ing becomes being. Suppose eating, being eaten, etc. So see, the objects number 1, 2, 3, the third element is always considered as object. The object comes to the front person. For do we have to use is, what I have mentioned here. It becomes the third form. The third form of it is eaten. I becomes by me. I am eating rice. In this sentence, which one is the object? Rice is the object. This is the verb. This is 2 position. This is 1 position. This is 3 position. In this case, always in voices, 3, that is the object, becomes 1, that is subject. So rice comes to the front position, rice, becomes is. For ing that I have mentioned here, ing that is being, It becomes third verb written by me. So remember, I eat rice becomes rice is eaten by me. He eats rice, rice is eaten by him. He plays ball, ball is played by him. I am eating rice, rice is being eaten. He is playing ball, ball is being played by them. So this is called your simple present. This is called present continuous. Today I taught you two tenses, that is present simple and present continuous. You practice at home. In case of doubt, you just write to me. So like yesterday, I am giving you one more words to remember that I am writing here. Opsimath means slow. No. Write it down. Don't be an opsimath. Be a polymath. Don't be a late bloomer. Be a wunderkind. Work hard for yourself only. You are never working hard for anybody else. You yourself identify your personality. If you practice English grammar, you will one day come out with flying colors. That most of the times I have been telling you in the classes. Thank you all. Watch it and write to me.